My name is Wojtek. I work at Akuity, the Argo City company for enterprises, and I'm dealing with marketing at Akuity. We knew from the beginning that we would like to have some online courses, certifications for Argo City, and we were looking for a tool. And I was doing a lot of rounds around various tools, and finally we were able to get with you guys together. Basically, initially we wanted to come up with a course that's basically GitOps Basics 101 using Argo CD. Okay. Something that could, last for 20 minutes, would be practical, it would be possible to issue a certificate afterwards and send to people. And yeah, we were looking for a tool that's easy to use, easy to navigate around. Basically, what we're also looking for right now is a tool that we'll be able to use to learn our platform, Akuity platform, which is a SaaS platform. Yep. And when we were doing the talks with you guys, you mentioned that there was going to be a feature where you can basically use your SaaS platform, what have you, so that it becomes a part of the course and you can educate around the product. So that was also a factor that we were looking in. So I think next year we will be trying to implement that. So basically use Instruqt to teach our Akuity platform to other people. From my perspective, the biggest fun about Instruqt is one, onboarding, because you guys do a lot of nice stuff when it comes to taking us by the hand and showing us the ropes around. Two, how easy it is to implement Instruqt, and basically whether it's Argo CD in our case or any other tools, cloud native tools, it comes sort of out of the box and helps us out. And now basically it just works. So the only thing I do is I check daily how many leads we got, and I don't have to focus on maintaining it, thinking about it. It just works, and I'm thinking more about what to do with these leads, how to educate them further down the funnel. Basically, we're doing, it's marketing for developers, for engineers. So all the time we're focused on educating our folks, educating about Argo CD, about GitOps. Now we're launching a new open source project called Cargo, which is it has a revolutionary approach to certain things that are happening in the industry. So we will need some tool to teach people that and explain. So I think Instruqt will be ideal for the job. I mean, I'm not a fan of this die-hard approach to marketing, that just basically getting all the leads that are, they're out there and pushing products down their throat. I think, it's a peculiar environment, and we have to work with people that are highly skeptical, don't want to basically hear BS, and they want to learn stuff. They want to have tools that solve their problems, and that's where I think we do the best. And also we have the best educational people in the industry on board. So we just want to provide them with the tools and provide our audiences with things that help them solve their problems, whether it's open source or not.
Yeah, and getting them hands-on, right? Getting them hands-on, getting them learning, asking questions.
That always works. That's the developer marketing I'm fond of.
That's awesome.